What's tightening?
No, that's tightening. Right there, that's loosening. So right here, we're gonna take off these upper control arms. I think these are ISR. And then we're gonna put them on that G35 over there, and his OEM stock arms are coming here, Iris. So for these upper control arms, you only have the 2 bolts right there. Just put it on the bottom of the fence. Alright, give me a 14. Give me on the electric ratchet. So you got this crown out right here that you have to take off with the cotter pin too. Give me the coilover thingy. Bring all 3 of them. I'm not sure which one I'll need. So right here, just spin this. Okay. Give me the hammer. That one. Okay, what's it? There we go. Give me the OEM one. So we're about to put the OEM arm, which is the same thing, just that one nut. I mean the bolt, and then this nut right here. And the only reason I untightened this was just so I could spin the spring.
I was like, come on, let me give him 10 bucks.
Got it?
I done adjusting it.
I'm not sure.
But how much I put some more? Look how much they go for brand new.
Well, how,
Is there any on Marketplace?
Alright, there, Oscar.
and it should be that one right next to you, behind the camera.
Okay, good.
So we're gonna do.
I look, want to go get fixed with my car, bro.
Right there. Selected 2. Both bolts in the back, the OEM arm, and the nut, which you gotta put the cotter pin in.